So where's the unit rate in math? The unit rate in math. Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang. I've been teaching college math for 9 years, and we're here to answer that question. Now, it's a basic definition that takes a little bit to write, but it's pretty easy to understand once you understand the definition behind it. So here's the definition. A unit rate describes the number of units in the first quantity to 1 unit of the second quantity. So in other words, the first thing that you're comparing it with can have as large a number as it wants, but the quantity that you're comparing should only be 1 unit. So here's an example. Suppose your speed along the highway is 65 miles per hour. What that tells you here is 65 miles, that's quantity 1, to 1 hour. That's your second quantity. This is an example of a unit rate because you have 65 miles to 1 hour. You can express that as 65 miles over 1 hour. Now, another illustration is if you were, let's just say, cooking, you have 3 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. Well, that's another example of a unit rate because you have 3 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. So anytime you have a situation where you have a certain number of one quantity versus 1 unit of another quantity, whether it be miles per hour or sugar to water, you have what's called a unit rate because it will always be consistent in that particular comparison. So I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's an example of a unit rate in math.